Hello. So, what is a budget actually supposed to bloody well do? I mean, they have a bit of a bad reputation, don't they? Most people see them as something completely restrictive and rigid. You can't deviate from them. You have to keep saying no to everything. And something you only tend to really utilize when your money is drastically reduced. It's a god awful confronting experience every time you look at it, which is precisely why you've looked at it twice since you made it, right? It's interesting, really, because that's not their job to make you feel that way. They're designed to make you feel relieved, totally and utterly in control of your money. So, in reality, it's about giving yourself permission and enabling you to keep your eye on the ball. And it's definitely about prioritization. A budget literally says that you can spend whatever you like, just not all the time. It's a bit like, yeah, you can, of course, you can have a biscuit with your cup of tea, just not an entire packet and not every day. Without one, your money is going to just leak out in random areas. And there's definitely a joke in there, but I'm not going to make it. A budget is, in my opinion, it's a decision making tool. It's a planning tool. Its job is to help you make your money flow intentionally, to help to reduce uncertainty, to prevent constant low level stress in your life, constantly playing out in the background. Doesn't matter what you're doing all day, every day, you just got this constant niggly gut feeling worry, and it's because you're not in control of what your income and your outgoings look like. So it's there to answer questions like, can I afford this comfortably? Can we decide to buy this together? Is it going to make sense to us? What else needs to be covered? Where are we mid-month with our bills? Has that gone out yet? Can we spend this without feeling guilty? So why most budgets feel awful is that because of that sense of restriction, it's, I can guarantee you, something that's gone wrong in the design, in the way you designed it. And that, I'm not passing shade over you. It's not your fault. I love this stuff and I can geek out on it for ages. That's not what you're here to do. Um, the numbers are often realistic when you're looking at your budget, and you've set something up and you bloody well hate it. It's because it doesn't genuinely fit with the lifestyle that you're trying to create. It's just simply too rigid for your lifestyle, for your real life, and it just doesn't speak to your soul. It doesn't allow you any wriggle room. Doesn't allow you to do things you really want to do. It's just not fit for purpose. A good budget should really just make you feel relieved. It should feel like a really good sports bra, completely supportive, and like it's reducing the amount of mental noise that you've got, not adding to it and not adding any more friction. So if your budget is feeling really stressful, I can guarantee you it's that you're not failing. It's the structure that's failing you. So if budgeting has always felt uncomfortable to you or just really fragile, something that you've just done once and you don't want to do it again, but you realize it probably is now about the right time to start to think about doing this kind of thing and be sensible, there's definitely a kinder or many more kind ways to do this that is going to help you personalize the way that you approach your money. And I'm here for it. I talk about this a lot, although my channel is a little bit older now. If you watch any of my past videos, they're a couple of years old. Watch them, that's fine. But I'm going to be starting as of now, where are we, February 2025, to start to, no, it's not, February 2026, to, my videos aren't polished, by the way. You'll find that pretty quickly. I haven't got the time. So if you want to come here for a bit of, normal talk, non-polished stuff, then I'm your gal. And also, if you like help build, if you really want somebody to help you to build a budget from the inside out, and when I say inside, I mean in your heart and in your head. If it's all a bit of a mess, I can help pull all that stuff out for you. It's what I do, and I can help you to put it in motion in a realistic budget that you're going to really enjoy using. All the details will be below. But for now, hello, thank you for subscribing and liking this video. See you soon.